Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a little doll using an egg carton. It's really easy, okay? You're going to love it. Look, cut these edges and we put one inside the other like this, see? So it gets stronger, more durable. I cut a 15 cm circle and I'm going to sew all around it. I sewed all around. Now I put the egg carton inside. I pull. I add a few stitches to finish. It's very easy to make this little doll. Stay with me until the end. You're going to love it. I cut a cotton cord to 21 centimeters. I tied little knots at the ends, right here. I fold it in half. Sew it here. I cut a 9 cm circle and made a yo-yo. I'm going to make the head with a 7 cm circle. I'm going to sew all around, make a yo-yo, and fill it with stuffing. Guys, I'm using kite string. It has to be a strong thread, because later we're going to put in a lot of stuffing. So, it has to be a strong thread, otherwise it will break. For a small head, I do it like this. Look, I squish this stuffing so it fits in here. I'm going to close it and add more stuffing. You have to put in a lot of stuffing so the head gets really round, really pretty. I'm going to leave a little hole here so we can add more stuffing. Keep adding stuffing, keep pressing it in. Add stuffing until the head gets round. Really pack in a lot of stuffing. The head has to look like this, really full and nice and round. To make the curls, I wrapped the yarn around my finger 5 times and tied it in the middle. This is the easiest hairstyle there is. But you can get creative and make a different hairstyle. I made 13 little curls. I cut a 23 centimeter cotton string and tied the ends. I put a little bit of glue. Done. I position it here. See? Check if it's right. A little bit of glue. I made a yo-yo with a 9 centimeter circle. I put glue all around the edge. Look how beautiful it is, everyone. I'm in love with it, and it's super easy. Which one did you like the most, the blue one or the pink one? If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video, wishing you health and peace.